Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video. Today I'm just going to show you how I process the plantain that I bought and how I process it into plantain flour. So this is a huge plantain I bought from the market. I've shown the video. If you've not watched it, you can just, I'm going to put the link and you can just click and watch visiting a plantain market, that is farm market. So after buying the plantain, I did most of the peeling myself, though the inside was so dark because I don't want anything that has to do with dirt or fly to come in contact with whatever I'm doing. So I had to do it inside the house, so that is why you can see that it's a bit dark, but nevertheless it was so good. So if you're watching me for the very first time, you're welcome to Ojolape Space. I make content on market vlog, the prices of goods in Nigerian market, and I also cook some, let me say, ancient food. So you're welcome to Ojolape Space. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your love. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for sharing so much love to watch Ojolape Space. As we all know that plantain flour has a lot of health benefits. So because of that, it's very good for the elderly women, men to take plantain flour. So that's why it does not contain much of carbohydrates. So it's easily digests in elderly people. So it's very good when you have an elderly mother or father or grandpa or grandma around you. You can always get plantain flour for them. Is very good for them, especially those with diabetes. If you have somebody that have diabetes, this is the best meal to take with vegetable. Is very nourishing to their body, and it does not contain so much sugar. So that is why it's very good for them. Even for everyone, you can take this. Is very good. So I'm just taking you through this process of how I make my plantain flour, not just in little quantity, in so much quantity for business. So if you're looking for another side hustle, you know, Ojolape Space will always bring this side hustle. If you're looking for another side hustle, you can get this plantain, go through this process. It's so easy. All you just need to do is buy unripe plantain, peel it, dice it. Dicing of this plantain took me more than 3 days because it was so much, and I have other things I have to do. After the slicing, I put it out in the sunlight for it to dry. So this is how I spread outside. It's a real big job because it was so much. Why I does it in this pattern is because I really wanted it to get dry fast because the rain has started. I dried everything in the sunlight because, like I said before, and you can see that the plantain was so much. Everything was used for this plantain flour. So it was so much, and like you see, it has started getting dried. I just have to put it, like I said, in the sunlight for days. It has started getting dry. So when I allowed it to dry very well, I took it down to where it will be grinded into plantain flour. I say thank you so much for always coming to watch Ojolakpe's space. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till I see you in my next video, I say bye.